out of all the things you can do as we're getting older is to even out your skin tone. So anything that is light will come forward, anything that's dark will recede. So you want to take down that heaviness by applying a neutralized shadow in your undertone. You don't want to bring a lot of shadow in here because then it just creates more of an eye bag, right? And when you were 20, you could do whatever you want and nothing looked bad. You couldn't go wrong. You want to frame your face, and I use the bronzer because the beauty of the face lies here. So you want to draw attention to this part of the face. My name is Deborah Williams, and I'm the author of The Grace Factor. Thank you for taking interest in my book, and I hope that you find some wonderful techniques that can bring out the most beautiful you.